What I love about Perceivant is the manner in which the product really embraces what faculty and students desire.
We're trying to make the in-classroom experience better for the student and the teacher. If you look in the news today, you're going to see some things about the burden that teachers are put under, the number of things they have to do.
Everyone pays enough. We have 2 kids in college this year and 1 coming next year into college, and I just think about how much they're going to spend on books. It shouldn't cost anywhere near that amount to get some of this information.
It's always tough to convince students they need to buy the latest, greatest version of a textbook because textbooks are expensive. And college, in general, is an expensive proposition right now. It costs so much more now than it did back when I was in school, back when my parents were in school, etc. And so trying to say, oh, you have to have the new version of the textbook is always rough on a student because otherwise they can go to the used market and save a little bit of money, which helps out. But if there's new changing information, well, you just can't use the old book. Well, with our courseware, you always have the latest book. I mean, you can update the textbook during the course if for some reason you need to. It doesn't cost the student anything. They just have the latest book always.